made a Twitter bot that makes memes for you. This was so much fun to create, so make sure to stick around to see how I made it. To do this, I first had to choose the meme my bot was going to be making. The first one that drew my attention was the 2 buttons meme. It could be quite simple. It will just take 2 parts of a tweet and put them in a picture. I could use a separator in the tweet to determine what goes where, but then I thought it would be too hard to filter out posts with the right format and it would just be a mess. The second candidate was the Uno Draw 25 cards meme. This one would just take the entire text of the tweet and slap it on the card, but then I got an idea. I initially wanted to do something with pictures, something similar to the Chandler from Friends holding your favorite album thing, and this is where the Sanctuary Guardian meme comes in. That's it, you just saw it. It's like a year old, but it will serve its purpose. What I want to achieve is that someone posts a picture on Twitter, another person tags my Twitter bot in the comments, and it responds with the image edited into this meme. I'm gonna be using Python because I already made another Twitter bot with it that plays blackjack. Now I just need to figure out how I'm going to do this. Let's outline what needs to happen. A Python script will be executed every minute and it will check for all new mentions between the time it last ran and the current time. From these mentions, it needs to do a few things. Filter out tweets without a picture and check if the bot didn't respond to a certain tweet already, so people can't spam. After I have my new list of tweets that I want to create a meme for, I need to take care of their resolutions. Since some photos are horizontal and some vertical, I decided that the memes would be in 1:1 ratio to meet the middle ground. But to do that, the pictures from the tweets need to be 1:1 as well, so the video doesn't come out something like this. If the width is bigger, I crop it by the height. If the height is bigger, I crop it by the width. If it's already 1:1, I let it be. Back to our outline. After I have my list of tweets with pictures, I resize them if need be. After that, I store 3 important values: the username and ID of the original tweet, and the username of the person who mentioned the bot. The next thing on the list is creating the video from my resized image. Normally, I would boot up After Effects, and with the knowledge I obtained as a 14-year-old trying to edit Call of Duty montages, I would create the meme.
I was hard to kill him in more ways than the sick of the medically finished tip of your brain.
But automating After Effects like this isn't really possible. So it was time to use the literal best thing in the world, FFmpeg. FFmpeg is a console program to edit videos, and to say it's powerful would be an understatement. You simply write a command, put in a few arguments like the video codec, resolution or time, press enter and done! Your video's rendered. Now, I'm no expert in FFmpeg, so I googled a lot. Knowing how to ask a question is, in my opinion, a great skill, and by doing that, I found the answers to my questions within a few minutes. First, I need to make a still video from my picture and then use a template I prepared for the meme. I rendered it 2 times, once blank and once as an alpha mask, which is a black and white video that kind of functions as a green screen, if you will. The white pixels will be shown and the black ones will not. This is used so the original image is visible under the animation. Now that I've got the video, all that's left is to post it as a reply to the original tweet. I did that by using the values I stored earlier and utilizing the Twitter API. Sometimes I feel like API is just a fancy word for programmers, but it basically just lets me use Twitter's functions like tweeting, replying or getting the number of likes in Python. And the absolute last thing I need to do is to make the program run every minute and test everything out. I run the script on a Google virtual machine because it gives you free credit as a new customer. After googling once again how to do that, I got it working and it was finally time to see it in action. Now, I would lie if I told you that everything ran perfectly on the first try. It didn't, and there were a lot of mistakes I overlooked. But after some time, I did it! It works perfectly and just as I imagined. The bot is called Mark the Memer on Twitter, so if you want to try it out, you can tag him in a tweet with a picture and see if it works. If it doesn't, chances are I got too many requests or there's another mistake I overlooked. Nevertheless, I had a lot of fun doing this. If you want to download the code or just chat about stuff, you can join my Discord server. I hope you enjoyed the video and consider subscribing. It's free and you can change your mind anytime. Bye!